Monster Night, published by Make Believe Ideas. Messy monsters play all night in slushy swamps. Fight or fright. They have a slime fight with the zombies. Find the monster covered in pink slime. Hungry monsters gobble a Halloween feast. You do not scare me. Their favorite food is ice cream. Where is the ghost cupcake? Stinky monsters live in a smelly cave. Burp! They have a burping contest with the ogres. Which monster is burping? Noisy monsters like to roar and scream. I'm a monster! They jump out and scare their friends. Which two monsters are identical twins? All the monsters have a Halloween party together. Let's have a boogie. They show off their spooky dance moves. How many balloons can you find? The end.